Lecture 4, exercise 9.4. Now, in this exercise, we have already discussed about the general solution. Now, we'll proceed with the particular solution. Now, how to calculate the particular solution? Now, come to the first question of particular solution. For each of the differential equation from exercise 11 to 14, find a particular solution satisfying the given condition. Now, till now in the general solution we'll have the constant term. Here we need to calculate the particular solution, but it's necessary that firstly you will calculate the general solution, then we'll proceed with the particular solution with the help of the given condition. And the given condition is y is equivalent to 1 when x is 0. So first we will calculate the general solution, then we'll go ahead with the particular solution. So this is the condition is given whenever we'll talk about the particular solution. Now firstly make the variable separable. So whenever I am making variable separable dy by dx, then 2x square plus x, this term I am taking here, x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Now integration can be of any variety, even partial fraction also. Now integration is very important, you need to remember. 2x square plus x, x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 dx. Integrate both sides. So before starting with the integration, firstly for right hand side of integration, what we need to do, while taking common, what I am getting, x square common, x plus 1 x plus 1 dx. So this is dy and this is 2x square plus x and this is x plus 1 x square plus 1 dx. Now I am getting the form of the partial fraction. Of course this integration is simple. Now come to this situation, then we'll proceed with this. Mark it as 1. So firstly consider 2x square plus x upon x plus 1 x square plus 1 can be written as a upon x plus 1, this is quadratic, plus bx plus c upon x square plus 1. Now after taking LCM, denominator will become cancel out, 2x square plus x, a into x square plus 1 and this is bx plus c x plus 1. So 2x square plus x, ax square plus a and this is bx square plus b plus cx plus c. So I am getting 2x square plus x. First you take the terms of this and this, x square, a plus b common, x square common, then I am getting a plus b, then plus cx I am having, then we'll have a plus b plus c. So while comparing coefficient of x square, this will become this. So a plus b is equivalent to 2, coefficient of x 1, c. So value of c is 1 and a plus b plus c is equivalent to 0. So value of c is 1. So this will become this. Now what you need to do, a plus b and a plus b minus 1 I am getting. So first time I am getting a plus b, just wait for a while, bx square, sorry this is bx. So that means b plus c into x and this is a plus c only. So what we need to do, a plus c is 0 and b plus c is 1. So from here a is minus c. So a is minus c, what we need to do, and this is also what, a plus b, a will become b minus c is equivalent to 2. Now solve these two equations. So I am getting b as 3 by 2. From here c will become 1 minus b, so c 1 minus 3 by 2. So I am getting b as minus 1 by, c as minus 1 by 2 and a will become 1 by 2. So what you are getting? So final question is 2x square plus x upon x plus 1 x square plus 1 can be written as A is 1 by 2 x plus 1 and B is 3 by 2 x minus 1 by 2 upon x square plus 1 dx. So if I'll talk about this can be written as 1 by 2, sorry, this is x plus 1. So this is x plus 1 plus 1 by 2 common, I will be getting 3x minus 1 upon x square plus 1 dx. So if I want to do the integration, so what I need to do, this will be your integration. So if this will be your integration, this into this, because I have written twice dx. So now this will become 1 by 2 log of x plus 1 and this is split the terms. So I will be getting 3 by 2 x upon x square plus 1. So this type of questions are important. This will become dx upon x square plus 1. So this will become t x square plus 1. dt is 2x dx. So I am getting 1 by 2 log of x plus 1 plus 3 by 2 and this will become into 2 dt upon t minus 1 by 2 dx upon x square plus 1. So I am getting 1 by 2 log of x plus 1 plus 3 by 4. Log t is log of x square plus 1 minus 1 by 2 tan inverse x plus c. So basically I am getting, if I'll take 4 in the LCM, so it will become twice of log of x plus 1 plus thrice of log of x square plus 1 and this will become minus 1 by 2 tan inverse, because this is not the log term. Now this 2 will become power, this 3 will become power, log m plus n is log mn. So this will become 1 by 4 log of x plus 1 square plus log of x square plus 1 raised to the power 3 minus 1 by 2 tan inverse x plus c. So I am getting 1 by 4 log mn x plus 1 square x square plus 1 minus 1 by 2 tan inverse x plus c. So if I'll talk about the left hand side integration will be what? This is your right hand side. So therefore integral dy and integral 2x 1 implies. This was the previous thing, equation number 1. So for the right hand side I have already taken everything. This is the final answer. So this is y 1 by 4 log of log mn. So I am getting as log mn as x plus 1 square x square plus 1 cube and this will become minus 1 by 2 tan inverse x plus c. Now put x as 0. This is your journal solution. Okay, if this is your journal solution, now you need to calculate the particular solution. For the particular solution, this condition is given, x is 0, y is 1. So y is 1 by 4 log of 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1. So log 1 minus 1 by 2 tan inverse 0. Tan 0 degree is 0 plus c. So 1 log 1 is always 0. So this is 0, this is 0 plus c. So value of c as 1. So therefore particular solution. Now put the value of c in the general solution. This will be your final particular solution is y 1 by 4 log of x plus 1 square x square plus 1 cube minus 1 by 2 tan inverse x plus 1. Now come to the next question. In question number 12, again we need to proceed like this. In question number 12, we'll have x square minus 1 dy by dx, which is equivalent to 1, where x is 2, y is 0. So for this question, what we need to do, dy will take to the left hand side, then we'll have 1 upon x square minus 1 dx, integrate both sides, so dy, this will become 1 upon x minus 1, this is again the partial fraction, so this is y and this is, we need to calculate, so we'll take it individually for solving part. Now if 1 upon x minus 1 x plus 1 will be taken as a upon x b upon x minus 1. So this type of question is very important because here we are using the partial fraction also. Denominator will become cancel out. So I am getting this into this, x square minus 1 x plus 1 and plus c x minus 1. So after doing this, if I will apply shortcut method for a, put x as 0, so you will be getting 1, a as minus 1, this is 0, this is 0, so value of a is minus 1. For b, shortcut method I am applying, put x as 1, so this will become 1, this will become 0. Then b 1 plus 1, this will become 0, so I am getting 1 2b, value of b is 1 by 2. Now for c, put x as minus 1, this will become 0, this will become 0 and this will become minus c, minus 1 minus 2, so value of c is 1 by 2. So finally you will be getting y a upon minus 1, that means minus a, and b upon 1 by 2 1 upon x minus 1, that means dx. If I want to do minus, this is a upon x. A upon x means minus 1 upon x dx, integration, then integration, and this is c, 1 by 2 dx upon x plus 1. So I am getting y as minus log x plus 1 by 2 log of x minus 1, 1 by 2 log of x plus 1 plus log, okay, c is already in the question, so we can take it log k. Okay, so now what we need to do, firstly y is equivalent to, if I will take 1 by 2 as LCM, so what I am getting, I will be getting as minus 2 log x plus log of x minus 1 plus log of x plus 1 plus twice of log k. So now what you need to do, 1 by 2 and this will become minus log x square and this is log mn. Log m plus log n will be x minus 1 x plus 1 plus log k square. So what you need to do, log m plus log m. So 1 by 2, this term will become log of x square minus 1 into k minus log x square. Now log m minus log n, 1 by 2 log of m by n. So I will be getting k square into x square minus 1 upon x square, and this is y. Now this is your journal solution. Now we need to calculate particular solution. Now put x as 2, y as 0. So 0, 1 by 2 log of k square 4 minus 1, and this is 4. So I am getting as 0 into 1 by 2 will become 0 log of 3k square by 4. Now what is the value of log? I want to compare. Log 0 can be written as log 1. Now from here I am able to calculate the constant term. So 3k square by 4 is equivalent to 1. So I will be getting k square as 4 by 3. So if k square as 4 by 3, so what will be your final answer? So if I'll talk about the final answer, therefore particular solution, if I'll talk about the particular solution, if I'll talk about equation number 2, mark it as equation 2, or you can mark it as this. So what I need to write, 2 implies y 1 by 2 log of k square means 4 by 3 x square minus 1 upon x square. So I am getting y is equivalent to 1 by 2 log of 4x square minus 1 upon 3x square. So this will be your particular solution. Okay, come to the question number 13. In question number 13, they will be having cos of dy by dx a, where x is 0, y is 1. Now, if I'll take cos there, dy by dx, this is cos inverse a. So this is your constant term. So I can take it anywhere. So dy cos inverse a is constant term. So if I want to integrate both sides, answer is x cos inverse a plus c. So this is your general solution. Now put x as 0, y as 1. So y1, this is 0 plus c. Value of c is 1. So therefore, particular solution will be y x cos inverse a plus 1. So can be read like this, y minus 1 x cos inverse a. If I take x to the denominator, I am getting this, and finally you will be getting cos of y minus 1 upon x is equivalent to a. So this is your final particular solution. Okay, 14th you will attend yourself. Now come to the question number 15. In question number 15, what they are saying, find the equation of a curve passing through the origin 0, 0. So 0, 0, whose differential equation is y dash is equivalent to ex sin x. So that means dy by dx ex sin x. So dy ex sin x. So you will be getting like this. Integrate by parts, you need to apply. Isolate first function, second function. So this will become first function same, integration of second function minus whole of differentiation of first function, integration of second function dx. So if I am getting this, now consider this as I, because later on I need to use like this. Okay, if I will proceed with this, I am getting as y is equivalent to I1. So firstly solve I1. So you can write I also, because I am having only one integral. So I sin x ex, again apply first function, second function. First function same, integration of second function minus of sin x into ex dx. So this will become sin x ex minus cos x ex plus will become minus sine x ex. Now what is this? This is the same question. So this will become I. If I'll take common, ex is common, sine x minus cos x minus I. So I plus I is 2i ex sine x minus cos x. So the value of I is ex by 2 sine x minus cos x plus c. So finally you will be getting y is equivalent to ex by 2 sine x minus cos x plus c. Now put x as 0, y as 0. So I am getting 0, e raised to the power 0 is 1 by 2 sine 0 degree minus cos 0 degree plus c. So 1 by 2, 0 minus 1 plus c. So c will become 1 by 2. So you will be getting Journal solution will be y is equivalent to ex by 2 sine x minus cos x plus 1 by 2. So this 2 will come here to the left hand side, ex sine x minus cos x plus 1. So I will be getting 2y minus 1 ex into sine x minus cos x. So this will be your answer, or you can say this is your journal solution. Now question number 16 also you need to attempt like this only, and 7 to 22 questions are not a part of the syllabus. So this exercise is over.